Today I will show you how to make this typography effect in Canva. So first, open your Canva and click on element and choose the element that you wanna use. For example, I will use this carrot. So when you use it, just keep it here and go to apps and search for Typecraft, this like me, and click on it, and here change the text to carrot, and I would change the font also, or I would just keep it like this and change the color to white, and this is, I would change right now the font to Anton, maybe this, and I will click add element. As you see, this is my element. I will keep it here, and here I will resize it. And click update element and make sure that is in the right place here. Right now guys, when it is on the right place, I would click on duplicate page, and after duplicating the page, I will go to the second page and delete the carrot and keep just the word like this. And I will go right now to element, and I will use a shape like this and click, and I will just make it big just to hide the word that we use, and then I will change the color of this shapes to black like this, and I will click right click and layer, send to back. And right now what I will have to do, I will just go to share, and I will click download, and I will download just the second page, and here file type PNG. Click download, and when it's downloaded I will go to upload, and I will click here on download, and I will make this. So right now I will just back to the first page, and I will delete this carrot like this, and I will put this image that we downloaded, and I will decrease it to the page like this, and after that I will click on it and click on edit. Click on edit and go to background remover and remove your background. And after removing your background, you have to go to the button and click on Sherry, and here guys on Sherry change these two colors to white like this, and the other one like this. And right now I will click on the image and I will decrease it until this, and here also to this, yeah. And right now I will go to element, and I will search for shadow. For me, I really use a shadow, so I will use this shadow, and you will make it here, or and go here to transparency and make it like this, and then select all and make it in the middle of the page, and that's it guys. This is the final result. So I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and also subscribe, and see you in another tutorial.